Let me tell you something that might surprise you if you've been drowning in research about whole life insurance and the infinite banking concept. It's actually really hard to mess up a whole life insurance policy. I know that might sound crazy given all the conflicting information out there. You've probably seen heated debates about policy design, commission structures, high early cash value versus more balanced approaches, and it can absolutely feel overwhelming. But here's the truth. As long as you're buying whole life insurance from a quality mutual company, and I'm not talking about universal products, I'm talking about whole life insurance, the fundamentals work. Some policies can be more optimal than others based on policy design. That's absolutely true. But especially if you're looking at this from a long-term perspective, there's really not a whole lot to be worried about. Even advisors who are a little less experienced and don't know as much as other advisors, as long as they're selling you whole life insurance from a quality mutual company, there are very few ways to actually mess things up. Now, that doesn't mean all advisors are created equal. Of course, experience matters just like anything else. And understanding the trade-offs between different types of policy design, it does matter. But I'm telling you this because I know many of you are stuck in analysis paralysis, afraid to make a move because you might make the wrong choice. But the bigger mistake isn't choosing maybe a slightly less optimal policy design because they're all going to work out over the long term. The bigger mistake is going to be doing nothing at all because you're paralyzed by fear of making the wrong decision. Whole life insurance has been around for hundreds of years. Some of the best mutual insurance companies have been around for 150 years, 175 years. This isn't some new, untested thing. These are fundamentally rock solid companies. And so if you've been researching for months, comparing illustration, watching YouTube after YouTube video, and you still haven't made a move, give yourself permission to move forward. Find an advisor that you trust and also find one that you like and ask good questions and get started. The cost of waiting is often greater than the cost of a slightly less optimized policy design. To learn all about overcoming FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt around whole life insurance and the infinite banking concept, check out episode 24 of the Stacked Life podcast.